In this video, I will show you how to insert box and whisker chart in Excel. So firstly, select your data, then insert, click this arrow. Here select charts, and in this list, just select on box and whisker. Click on OK. Here you can change style, design, color, size. Give your name for this chart. Once you double click on it, you can change and select any style. You can change chart from here. In plus icon, you can add or remove labels, chart title. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.